Good job. What about this one? You gotta pull right here. Pull right here. Whoop. Yay! Oh, Allegra. How cool. Touch and feel the art. How cool. It's a world. Touch and feel. Touch the art. Look at what you can do. Everything has a little texture. Oh, Allegra, feel that. It's all sparkly too.
Ooh, very cool.
Yeah, we'll read these over and over and over. How about this one? Allegra. Oh, no, that's Zoe's. Yes,
Thank you.
That's Zoe's. Allegra, there's more.
I know, I love your penguin hat.
Isn't that cool?
I love it.
Oh, let's turn this way so Dale can see. Pull, pull, pull. Good job. Oh, what a pretty dress. This looks like it's from Mexico.
What? You feel like you're going to throw up? Can you just get him a bowl? Dad?
No.
What?
Oh, here, wait.
Yeah. Oh, Dad.